In this video, we're going to discuss about the top 5 of discoveries in 2025. Let's start. Technology is no longer evolving slowly. Today, it has completely changed. Nowadays, the technology is growing rapidly. Right from the AI, which can think, to the robotics, which can act like a human, you can see this change completely. And some of the medications can change the DNA of a human. These are the technologies that are presently running in the market. Top one, agentic AI. Agentic AI is a AI systems that can plan, decide, and takes wise decisions to make the proper output. In this process, we are not only applying a prompts to get the output, but it generates the response of our input by its own thinking. And who has invented it? It has invented by OpenAI, which we can see the ChatGPT now. The ChatGPT comes from the company group. There they developed it, and from the other AI labs as well, they developed this system, AI systems, which can think on its own with the prompts that we input. When we input the prompts, something like, "Hey, go and check for flight booking for Hyderabad to Bangalore." So these AI systems are gonna go to the websites. They're gonna see the prices and give you the best rated flights for your journey. It's going to perform like a human. It's going to mimic you, right? Number two, humanoid robotics. It's very interesting, right? Nowadays, we are seeing robodogs on the movies that you are seeing, and some of the robots which are acting like a human, right? So it comes from there. This is the new technology which is developed by Figure AI engineering team, backed by Microsoft and Nvidia. Then who is behind it? It's Elon Musk. Yes, these are the robots. What they are going to do is they are going to mimic like a human. Where when we talk about the industries or factories, they get the productions of different items. For example, there is a manufacturing industries for leather, right? For that, we need human intervention. These are the robots which are replaced by the humans, in which these robots are going to make or behave like a human in terms of lifting some products or serving some products from one place to another. There is a cleaning is needed on the ground. So these robots are used for it. It's the simple thing. Those robots are mimicking like a human. That's it. Top 3 AI discovered medicine. Yes, you heard it right. So this AI has introduced a medicine which is used for the curing of cancer or rare diseases. This is founded by Alex Zavarungov and AI researchers and some of the pharma scientists. Isn't it interesting, right? Top 4 brain computer interface. This is very interesting. This is founded by Elon Musk. The thing is, like, you have the brain, right? Inside the brain, they will implant a chip, which is done by the neurological scientists. What they do is they're going to feed some information. They're going to have the neural networks into the chip, in which is fitted into the brain. What they're going to do is we have the neurons into our brain, right? So it has the memory in it. So when they give some of the data into the chip, so they have the interface in the brain, and they are going to monitor what's happening around your brain or how you're behaving with the information that they provided you. It is used for the paralyzed patients or who are not able to move their body here and there because they are not having the brain functioning, or they have tried, and this is the first invention on it. Yep. And the top 5 final interesting one is fusion energy. You heard it right. When you talk about the fusion energy, let me give the intro of it. So when we talk about the sun is producing energy, light. It is used for solar energies, which are used for generating of electricity, right? Now we are using it. I'll explain you about the fusion. What is fusion? Okay. When you talk about the sun, inside the sun there are hydrogen molecules comes closest together, which can produce the heat in it. That process is called fusion. You got it right. So the same technique or the process that they implemented inside the machine, which they called very tiny fusion machine, tiny fusion energy. So this is the invention that has been done. The scientists are from National Igniton Facility, operated by Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory.